Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dynamic light for Windows for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G Hub application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see them as a device list, and the first option is to right here we have dynamic light icon here, so you just press on it and we just enable it. To disable it you need to also press one time on it. Or you can click at your headphones, then you will be in the headphones here, you need to go to light sync, and at the first line we have it. So just click one time at the slider near to it to enable it, and to disable it you need to also tap one time. Once you enable this mod you cannot now customize your LED light. So if you want to do this you need to disable this mod. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.